Hello everyone, my name's Chris Mortimer from Crism Security and today is Free Advice Friday. What other day is it today?
It's Red Nose Day, Chris.
Red Nose Day, is that when it's supposed to be funny?
Yeah, it is funny.
Well, security is not a laughing matter. It's not just for Christmas, you know.
It is funny, security.
It's not.
I can tell you a joke about security, Chris.
Go on then, tell me a joke about security.
Did you hear about the cat burglar that got caught?
How did he get caught?
He got stuck in the cat flap.
That's not very funny.
It is funny.
It's not funny.
You tell me a joke then.
All right. Did you hear about the guy who got caught on video going into a pie shop?
No.
He stole 3.14.
3.14?
Mm.
That's not funny.
It is funny. 3.14 is a pie.
I don't think that's funny.
It is funny.
No, I don't think that's funny. Anyway, are you going to give us some free advice today, Chris?
Yes. Don't try and be funny on videos.
Well, you've ticked that box, haven't you?
Anyway, for everybody else, have a fantastic Red Nose Day today. Give generously and stay secure.